So we've picked up our e-bikes. Gemma just swore. I'll try and edit that out. She's feeling all cocky because she ain't got to pedal very hard, see. And she's gonna come a cropper, isn't she? This is all gonna end in tears. Oh, we're coming to a nice bridge now. First little bridge. There's loads of these little bridges.
Hello.
Hello.
You join us second part of the Peak District.
Yes.
We're on the Monsal
Trail.
And we are at our first tunnel, which is called
the Headstone Tunnel, which is the first lit tunnel, and we've hired a couple of e-bikes, which you may have seen us on. It depends how I edit it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
I did.
Oh, hang on.
Right, we've hired some e-bikes, which go pretty fast, don't they?
They do.
Because we need a lot of ground to cover, because obviously we're stopping to take photos of the tunnels, bits and bobs.
But the viaduct, did you mention the viaduct?
No, I haven't.
Yes, the viaduct, which might probably be done with the drone, but we'll see.
So we've got a lot of stuff to cover.
We have. We do have to keep diving out of the way.
So they are the...
so...
what would we say? Tourists?
Yes.
People on their holidays?
Yeah. So we'll take some more pictures here and then go further along the trail.
Yeah.
So we'll see you soon.
Hope you like it. Oh, and this is one of my favourites.
What?
Well, it's almost like night photography, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave it there.
Jem is setting up inside, getting some pictures of the gorgeous spooky tunnel with the lights all going down. We are having to keep moving out of the way because we're in the middle of the path.
I decided to use a zoom lens.
What to compress?
The new lens I've got, 17 to 50 camera on 2.8.
To compress the tunnel a bit. Yeah.
And the tunnel, but mainly the big gaps between the lights. I want like a kind of more of a...
Yeah. Yeah, as you can probably appreciate, it's incredibly difficult to vlog while you're basically standing on a road. So, happy with that, aren't you, Jem? Oh, she's struggling. Oh, she is. She's always in the vlogging moment. I like that noise.
Okay.
Yeah, so what did you think?
Yeah, I like this. Is my cup of tea. I like long exposures and lights and grungy tunnels.
That is very, very atmospheric.
Like I say,
as you can see, there's road users coming and going, so it's a case of sitting the tripod down. We've already had an expletive. We've already had
called a twat photographer with no lights on.
Yeah.
Because I was in the middle of the tunnel.
Which is quite ironic because the cyclist didn't have any lights either. So
I moved out of the way, but there you go.
I'm going to have a little less cyclists for you. We'll probably lose some subscribers now.
We're cyclists today.
Yeah, they seem very rude to me, but there you go. We've been diving out of the way.
Well, the trouble is the shot's in the middle, isn't it? So.
We've been diving out of the way at every opportunity, but I don't even know if you can see me. Oh dear. Right, we're off. Next stop, wherever. So as you can probably tell, it's raining. Jem has gone down to see if she could find a waterfall. I said I'd stay up here because we're at the viaduct, the Monsal Head viaduct, and I'm waiting for a break in the rain so I can hopefully get a picture of the viaduct with the drone, but obviously I can't fly it while it's raining, so I'm just standing here hoping the rain will stop even for 10 minutes. We'll see. And we'll see with if anything Gemma comes back with anything, because I don't know where she is. So this is where the vlog ended for the day. It did absolutely throw it down. We got soaked. Hello. this is the end
Yep, this is our goodbye.
part of the vlog. I don't know if, did you mention that apps, well, I think everyone, did we say that tipped it down yesterday?
I don't know, tipped it down yesterday.
It tipped it down yesterday, so we couldn't finish the vlog yesterday because...
Thank God for the e-bikes.
Yes, the e-bikes that
Saved
we hired were
us.
brilliant. 8 miles there, 8 miles back. The 8 miles back was in the rain. Going under the tunnels, obviously dry for about a minute, but
Yeah.
we were soaked, so we were in no position to do the vlog. So this morning, our last day here, we're now going to drive home. We thought we'd park up at, where are we, Jim?
Monsal Head car park.
Monsal
or one
Head.
of the car parks at Monsal
Yeah,
Head.
which has got a great
You can
view.
see just behind
Yeah, the viaduct.
the viaduct.
A great view of the viaduct. So Jem's took some stills, images, and
drone's
I've
obviously
flown the
got it
drone
better.
around, possibly, but just got some nice scenery. The sun is shining today, so what a difference a day makes.
Yes.
Typical British weather.
And they sell ice cream.
And they sell ice cream, a lovely
So
little
we're
car park, beautiful
off to
view,
get an ice
cream, pub or some sort of cafe, but we're not bothering with that, we're just going to get an ice cream.
Yep. And hope you've enjoyed the vlog. And
Yeah, bit of a mishmash this one, but we had to do it as the weather allowed, didn't we?
Yep, I don't think it's a mismatch. We don't know until we edit it.
No.
Not
Be
a mismatch.
positive. No, I'm sure you'll enjoy
Brilliant.
it. Once again, thank you for watching if you've got this far, and we'll see you next time.
Yep.
Bye.